Here are some examples of creating equivalent rational expressions with an indicated denominator. In these two examples, we're asked to rewrite each expression as an equivalent rational expression with the indicated denominator. This procedure is necessary whenever adding or subtracting fractions where the denominators are different initially, because with adding and subtracting rational expressions or fractions, we've got to make sure we have a common denominator, and that's what we're practicing in these two examples here. So we have 3 over 4x is equal to question mark something over 28x cubed. The way that this is done is you just take your initial rational expression, 3 over 4x, and we've got to think to ourselves, what could we multiply 4x by to turn it into 28x cubed? So in other words, 4 times what is 28? 4 times 7 makes 28. And then in order to obtain x cubed, we could multiply the x by x squared. So we need to multiply the denominator by 7x squared to get 28x cubed in the denominator. And then the basic fundamental property of fractions says whatever you multiply the denominator by, you have to multiply the numerator by that same exact quantity. So we've got to multiply the numerator also by 7x squared. This then gives us 3 times 7x squared makes 21x squared in the numerator, and 4x times 7x squared makes 28x cubed in our denominator. So this is the new fraction here over top of 28x cubed. 21x squared all over 28x cubed. In this second example, we've got 5 over x plus 2 equals some unknown numerator over top of x times x plus 2 times x plus 9. So let's take our 5 over x plus 2 fraction, and I'm thinking to myself, what would I have to multiply the denominator x plus 2 by to create this new denominator, x times x plus 2 times x plus 9? So the factors that it is missing are the x factor and the x plus 9 factor. So we need to multiply the denominator by x times x plus 9. We then need to multiply the numerator by that same exact quantity, x times x plus 9. So multiply the numerator and denominator of the 5 over x plus 2 fraction by x times x plus 9, and that will give us, let's see, 5x times x plus 9 over top of, let's just write the x first to make it look like our desired denominator. So x times x plus 2 times x plus 9. And we can leave it right there. If we choose to, we could distribute the 5x through the parentheses and write it instead as 5x squared plus 45x all over top of x times x plus 2 times x plus 9.